I'm Ashe dykes, a British adventurer and extreme athlete, and in August 2019 I became the first recorded person ever to walk the entire length of the Yangtze River. I journeyed through some of Sichuan, but always knew I would return.
This time I'm going to visit the largest and tallest stone Buddha statue in the world, Leshan Giant Buddha. It was carved out of a sandstone cliff face
in AD 713, Tang Dynasty.
The full body of the statue reaches as high as 71 meters. The head alone is almost 15 meters, with 1,021 swirls of hair on top. Here in the Lingyun Temple, I'm going to meet a Leshan local who can help me unveil the secrets behind this colossal statue.
Hey, Zuo, 你好，很高兴认识你。How are you?
带你跟我一起体验一下吧。
𝐂𝐡𝐢𝐬 is the chief of the maintenance department here.
𝐂𝐡𝐢𝐬 told me that back in 700 AD, the water control technology was quite limited.
The turbulent current at the confluence of the three rivers plagued the shipping vessels travelling on this section of the river. A Chinese monk called Haitong had the idea of building a big Buddha in the hope of calming the treacherous waters. This ambitious construction took 90 years to complete and the hard work of 3 generations of craftsmen.
Oh my God, look at the size of it. Woo. And this bit's not been renovated obviously because there's more moss grass growing out of it, unlike the feet. So has this been touched or has this just been left since the first original build?
因为它这个佛是在露天包头，它就要生青苔，要生草。
Rain and humidity from the air seeping into the back of the stone statue is causing rapid erosion. No doubt, these Buddha guards have risked their lives many times in preserving this giant Buddha. 𝐂𝐡𝐢𝐬 is one such unsung hero. In front of the masterpiece, he explains what his job entails.
So it's not just yourself individually maintaining the giant Buddha, there's also a team behind this, right?
我们有一个团队，就每年这个除草和小型的维护。
Right.
大型的呢，由专家来审计。
A series of thorough maintenance projects began in 1949. There have been as many as 9 of them up until today. In 2018, a new round of physical examination and major renovation took place with the assistance of cutting-edge technology such as 3D laser scanning, a drone aerial survey, and infrared thermal imaging. This restoration project became a fruit of all the people's wisdom. Government leaders, experts, local workers and citizens all working together to make this 1,300-year-old Buddha revitalized once again. And now it's time for me to play the role of 𝐂𝐡𝐢𝐬 and to experience what he has been doing for 40 years.
放吧，放风筝。对下去。
When I was tangible in the air, what really killed me was the pain in my hands caused by holding the rope. But it was just child's play compared with what 𝐂𝐡𝐢𝐬 did each time.
手抱先生。
好，喂 Good fun. It seems to be useful. Yeah, thank you.
I spent just 15 minutes test running 𝐂𝐡𝐢𝐬's job, but I already felt a lot of pain in both my hands and shoulders. How challenging could it be for the people who have been doing this for their entire lives? 𝐂𝐡𝐢𝐬's spirit embodies that of many of the Sichuan people I've met along this journey. Their stories show their life values, optimistic and full of hope, as well as their attitude in the face of adversity, perseverance and hard work. They have ensured that their hometown truly lives up to its reputation, the land of abundance.